Anker docking station. Advantage: join the 55 million plus powered by our leading technology. Incredible expansion, equipped with dual Thunderbolt 3 ports, 2 USB-C ports, 4 USB-A ports, an HDMI port, an Ethernet port, SD/microSD card slots, and a 3.5mm aux port. Unparalleled charging options, with 85 watts and 15 watts Thunderbolt 3 ports plus an 18 watts USB-C power delivery port, PowerExpand offers multiple ways to get a high-speed charge for anything from laptops to phones and more. Media display: the Thunderbolt 3 port supports 5K at 60 Hz while the HDMI port supports a resolution of 4K at 60 Hz. Connect to both simultaneously to enjoy crystal clear streaming or mirroring across two displays. HP UltraSlim designed exclusively for UltraSlim HP EliteBook notebooks. Expands display, network, and device connectivity so you can be more productive throughout the day, all through a simple one-click slide inside dock. 4 USB 3.0 ports offer high-speed connectivity to the USB devices you use most. USB 3.0 reduces the time required for data transmission, versus USB 2.01, is backward compatible with USB 2.0, and is bidirectional. DisplayPort and VGA ports deliver legacy and future compatibility with your choice of video devices, and an Ethernet/LAN port keeps you online. Dell WD-90 docking station. Boost your PC's power on the world's most powerful and first modular USB-C dock with a future-ready design. Recommended and compatible systems: Latitude Series, 3301, 3390, 3400, 3490, 3500, 3590, 5280, 5285, 5290, 5300, 5400, 5401, 5480, 5490, 5500, 5501, 5580, 5590, 7200, 7280, 7285, 7300, 7380, 7389, 7390, 7400, 7480, 7490. Rugged Series, 5420, 5424, 7424. XPS Series, 9360, 9365, 9370, 9380. Note: this docking station includes a 130 watts power adapter, but only delivers 90 watts of power to the laptop due to the power requirements of the dock itself. Built for the future. Mix and match, evolve as your needs change with our most versatile dock. The future-ready design lets you swap out modules with ease if you need to do field replacements or upgrade your systems. Ultimate connectivity, USB-C connectivity makes it easier than ever to deliver power, data, audio and video in one convenient cable, no matter what system you use. Clean and clutter-free, stay productive by mounting your dock behind your monitor or under your desk with the optional Secure Visa mount that offers complete flexibility with the built-in 1-meter cable. Information in a flash, with data transfer speeds of up to 10 GB/s, you can stay productive when connected to all your devices. Optimize your workspace. Smooth and seamless, work without disruptions utilizing a single firmware on our most manageable docks ever. Plus, with Dell Client Command Suite and Microsoft System Center Configuration Manager, you can quickly and easily update your firmware without rebooting your dock. Secure manageability. Keep your information safe with MAC address pass-through and remote port disablement. Plus, With features like PXE Boot, Wake on LAN and more, it's easier than ever to stay. New Microsoft Surface. Instantly turn your Surface into a desktop PC with the next-gen ports in new Surface Dock 2. Simply plug in the Surface Connect cable to charge your device and access external monitors, a keyboard, mouse, and more. 199W power supply, longer Surface Connect cable, 80 centimeters. Supports dual 4K at 60 Hz. 2 front-facing USB-C, 2 rear-facing USB-C, Gen 2, 2 rear-facing USB-A, 3.5mm in/out audio jack, 1 gigabit Ethernet, security lock support. Targus USB-C 4K laptop docking station with charging power. Get the most out of your workstation with 2 ultra-high-def monitors. Plug them in with the USB-C Universal DV 4K docking station with power, which is Thunderbolt 3 compatible and supports both DisplayPort and HDMI, and has 4 USB 3.0 ports for workstation essentials like a mice and keyboard. 2 DisplayPort, DP1.2a, and 2 HDMI, HDMI 2.0, ports support dual 4K Ultra HD monitors. Power Delivery 2.0 provides up to 60 watts charging. 1 USB-C device port, USB 3.0 data only. Thunderbolt 3 compatible. 1 gigabit Ethernet port. 4 USB 3.0 ports for the latest peripherals, 1 fast device charging port. 1 3.5mm combo audio in/out for mics, speakers, and earphones. Includes 1 meter USB-C to C host cable, detachable. Ergonomic wedge design for comfortable typing. Integrated lock slot accommodates industry standard security locks. Innovative design. A compact industrial design with metallic details make this dock a sure fit for shrinking desktops and tight spaces. Elements like stacked ports add functionality and a reduced footprint. The raised grooves on the non-slip, angled top surface create a comfortable typing angle for the laptop while offering passive cooling. Supports dual DisplayPort and HDMI monitors. Access the latest display technology with 2 DisplayPort ports that support dual DisplayPort monitors, dual HDMI monitors, or a mix of the two. Create a high-performance dual monitor workstation with crisp, clear images at resolutions up to 4096 by 2160p 6024 bpp color. Onboard USB 3.0 for advanced peripherals and charging. 4 USB 3.0 ports make it simple to add the latest keyboards, exterior drives, and other peripherals to customize the workspace experience. The dock also includes a powered USB 3.0 port for charging your smartphone, tablet, or other devices. StarTech.com EUASOO Dock, Hybrid Universal Triple Monitor Laptop Docking Station. HDMI and DisplayPort for triple monitor outputs. This USB-C Gen 2 docking station with DP 1.4 and HDMI 2.0 HDR support is a perfect choice for dual or triple monitor setup, supporting up to triple 4K 60Hz display output, with any combination of 3 DisplayPort or HDMI video interfaces, on USB-C Gen 2, with DP 1.4 support, laptops, MacBooks and Windows-based Thunderbolt 3 laptops. Power and charge with 85 watts power delivery. Power and charge USB-C/Thunderbolt 3 workstation laptops and Ultrabooks with 85 watt PD higher power delivery. more than other USB-C 10G triple monitor docks. Charge smartphones and other devices with 2 downstream front-facing charging ports with BC 1.2 for USB-A and USB-C devices. Fast charge ports support always-on charging, so devices will charge whether or not a host laptop is connected. Plenty of downstream USB ports. This USB-C Gen 2 docking station features 6 downstream USB ports in total to connect USB peripherals. EUASOO docking station, a quadruple display universal laptop docking station for MacBook and Windows. EUASOO 15-in-2 upgraded universal docking station brings more convenience to our work and life. The most exciting thing is that it supports connecting up to 2 host systems and 4 monitors. For Windows, quadruple display is supported when you connect 2 host systems. For Mac OS, it supports triple display. Please make sure that your laptop supports DisplayPort Alt mode, USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C. Quadruple display for Windows. For Windows, EUASOO docking station supports quadruple display on 4 external monitors when connecting 2 host systems. Host 1 expand to HDMI 1 monitor. Host 2 can expand to HDMI 2 plus HDMI 3 plus VGA, and support triple display. Note, for Host 2, when 3 external monitors output video simultaneously, the Windows laptop will be blank screen. HDMI resolution is up to 4K at 30Hz, 2560 by 1600, 1920 by 1080, 1080p, and lower resolutions will be displayed at 60 Hz. VGA resolution is 1080p. Note, when VGA is connected, the resolution of HDMI 2, HDMI 3 will be limited to 1080p. Triple display for Mac OS. Connect 2 Type-C ports on the MacBook to the 2 host C ports of EUASOO docking station. Host 1 expand to HDMI 1 monitor. Host 2 can expand to HDMI 2 plus HDMI 3 plus VGA, but these 3 monitors connected to Host 2 only have the same display. The resolution of HDMI can be up to 4K at 30Hz, but if VGA is connected, the resolution of HDMI 2, HDMI 3 will be limited to 1080p. 87 watts USB-C PD charging. Support PD charging at max 87 watts. EUASOO docking station provides 1 Type-C pass-through female port by which you could securely charge your laptop while connecting multiple peripherals for data transferring and power storage. With power delivery, a single USB-C port can give you blazing fast charging speed experience. Note, advise use original power adapter of your laptop. 1000 megabits per second gigabit RJ45 Ethernet. Quickly access the network. Brings you a 1G movie in few minutes. Provides a more stable and faster network connection. Backward compatible with 10M, 100M, 1000 megabits per second. Fast charging and 5 gigabits per second data transmission. USB-C 3.0 port and the 2 USB-A 3.0 ports on the front of the dock support data transmission and fast charging. The data transmission speed up to 5 gigabits per second, and high-definition movies can be downloaded quickly in seconds. Quickly charge your USB peripherals. Note, the 2 USB-A 3.0 ports at the rear of the docking station do not support fast charging. Port fast charging. TOTU upgraded universal 4K triple display docking station with charging support for MacBook Pro Air and Windows Type-C systems. To use this product, the host device USB-C port must support DisplayPort Alt mode and power delivery. Driver is needed for TOTU triple display docking station. Please email TOTU service or go to DisplayLink official website to download the driver. TOTU docking station compatible with Mac OS and Windows USB-C systems. With up to 3 additional displays via 2 DP and 1 HDMI and up to 60 watts of charging power. Utilizes USB 3.1 in connection with the latest features of TOTU triple display docking station. Triple display for Windows and Mac OS. DisplayPort outputs and Gigabit Ethernet via DisplayLink DL6950 alt mode. HDMI port supports up to 3840 by 2164K at 30 Hz. DisplayLink DisplayPort support up to 4K at 60 Hz. Gaming and HDCP playback not supported. TOTU docking station provides super speed USB 3.0, 5 gigabits per second, from host laptop to triple displays, Gigabit Ethernet, audio input/output, 3 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, 1 USB-C 3.0 ports, data transfer and power delivery. Acodot docking station. Designed for those who want a one-stop upgrade for your USB 3.0 2.0 laptop. The Acodot USB 3.0 Universal Laptop Docking Station for Windows and Mac OS allows you to add dual monitors and connect your peripherals, all through a single cable back to your laptop. Quickly come and go from your desk with ease. By connecting one cable to your laptop, you gain 11 extra ports of connectivity, making it easier to do more work in less time. 6 super speed USB 3.0 ports provides up to 5 gigabits per second data transfer speeds, which is 10 times faster than USB 2.0. 1 HDMI port and 1 DVI port, and we include both a DVI to VGA adapter and a DVI to HDMI adapter, not compatible with DisplayPort displays. Acodot dock is the dock you need to maximize your productivity and your workspace. Great for business uses such as web applications, Microsoft Office, and more. Featuring a vertical design, you can easily slip this dock between your monitors and save valuable desk space. Conveniently access the front USB and audio ports for those devices you plug and unplug every day. Download the latest driver from DisplayLink. Extend and mirror your PC or tablet and create a more efficient workstation. Kensington USB. Kensington is a leading provider of desktop and mobile device accessories, trusted by IT, business, and home office professionals around the world for more than 35 years. Kensington strives to anticipate the needs and challenges of the ever-evolving workplace and craft professional tier award-winning solutions that provide peak professionals with the tools they need to thrive. The ultimate driverless USB-C docking station. Increase your productivity and experience the ultimate plug-and-play docking experience with the SD4820P USB-C 10 gigabits per second dual video driverless docking station. Use the single USB-C cable connection to power your PC device, transfer video, audio, and data up to 10 gigabits per second, and connect up to 2 external displays, all with no driver installation required. Driverless USB-C connectivity. Transfer data, up to 10 gigabits per second, video, and audio, and provide up to 60 watts of power delivery, PD 3.0, via a single cable for a simple plug-and-play experience with no software installation required. Host device must support power delivery and DisplayPort alt mode over USB-C. Dual video output. Provides 2 DisplayPort++ ports and 1 HDMI port to allow users to select the right connections and resolutions for their environment while also eliminating the need for expensive adapters. Supports up to dual 4K at 30 Hz or single 4K at 60 Hz in 4-lane mode. 11-in-1 dock with 6 USB ports. Extend productivity capabilities via DP++ and HDMI video ports, 6 USB ports negation front, one USB-C 3.1 Gen 2 port up to 5V/3A/10 gigabits per second, and one USB-A 3.1 Gen 2 port up to 5V/2.4A/10 gigabits per second/rear. 4 USB-A 3.1 Gen 1 ports up to 5V/0/9A/5 gigabits per second, Gigabit Ethernet, and a combo audio port. Universal Windows compatibility. Seamlessly connects to any Windows 7 or above laptop equipped with USB-C. An ideal dock for HP, Lenovo and Dell devices. 1M USB-C cable. Provides extra cable length to easily accommodate different desktop configurations. Dynamic 4K switch. The Dynamic 4K switch provides users with a customizable dock that easily adapts to different needs. 2-lane supports up to dual 1080p at 60 Hz with lightning-fast USB speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second. For users looking for 4K resolution, 4-lane will allow for dual 4K at 30 Hz with USB speeds clocking down to 480 megabits per second. Note: in 4-lane mode, wired Ethernet will be reduced from 1 gigabit per second to 100 megabits per second. WAVLINK USB Docking Station Dual Monitor with 65 watts charging. Office Essential Turn 1's USB port into 6 USB 3.0 Type A. 1 with fast charging, 2xMe, 2x DisplayPort, 1x Gigabit Ethernet, 1x phone jack, 65 watts power delivery charging. No need of external power supply. Lightweight alloy makes it more portable. Dual 4K display, 2x DP 1.2 and 2x HDMI 2.0 support. Dual HDMI/HDMI plus DisplayPort at resolution up to 4K, 4096 by 2160 at 60 Hz, 5K, 5120 by 2880 at 60 Hz. Single monitor display when using dual DisplayPort. Backward 3440 by 1440, 2560 by 1440, 1920 by 1080, 1080p, in both extend and mirror video mode. Full performance 6 USB 3.0 Type A support, 5 gigabits per second transfer rate. Backward compatible with USB 2.0 1.0, 1x Gigabit Ethernet ensures you a fast, reliable wired connection. 1x2.0 audio jack for earphone and microphone, provide more flexibility. Wide compatibility, compatible with both Type C and Type A laptops. Windows 10/8.1/7, Windows Vista is 7.7/ Windows XP is 7.6, Mac OS X 10.6 to 10.15 OS, Chrome OS from build or 51, Android V 5.0, Lollipop, or later. See Display Link website for more details. StarTech.com Euro Docking Station Dual Monitor with HDMI and 4K DisplayPort. Full feature dock, USB 3.0 Type A dock with dual monitor options, HDMI and DisplayPort, 4x USB a 5 gigabits per second ports, 1 fast charge, Gigabit Ethernet, headset audio port, and case slot for securing the dock. Flexible display setup. This docking station supports different display options with dual monitors DP and HDMI, 2048 by 1152p and 1920 by 1080p, single DP, 4K 30 Hz, or single HDMI, up to 2560 by 1440p. USB a laptop compatibility. This Display Link certified laptop computer docking station works with new or legacy laptops from brands like HP, Dell, Lenovo, Microsoft Surface Pro, and Chromebooks. Wide operating system compatibility. This universal laptop docking station fully supports major operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Chrome OS. Plenty of USB ports. This USB 3.0 port replicator has a 4-port downstream USB A hub, 5 gigabits per second super speed, including one always-on BC 1.2, 1.5A, fast charge port that can charge without a connected host. A connected host.